How's it going, everyone? I just turned on the camera because I had this idea of trying something slightly different than usual. Usually I'm in front of a piano or a keyboard, but I just watched an incredible video called How I Type Really Fast, 156 Words per Minute by Ali Abdaal, and my mind was blown.
The old school way of fixing this mistake is going back, 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 back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Option and backspace. And what that does is that deletes an entire word.
He talks about things that I never knew about. That changes a lot. I'm inclined to sit here and work on my typing. So the first thing he talks about is going to 10fastfingers.com or keybr.com to practice your typing speed. I'm just gonna have a go at this. Maybe I'll turn it. Candid, always. Why am I nervous? Okay, 86 words per minute. 99% accuracy. Okay, so he talks about option delete, how that gets rid of a word. Command delete gets rid of a line. Go to keybr.com to practice made up words and more strategic exercises. Also make noise. Try to not look at the keyboard and treat it as a game. Let's put a timer on, let's say 1 hour. Let's work on this for 1 hour and see how far I can get. Hopefully I can improve my typing speed because I think this will actually make a big difference in my life. Let us see how far we can get. So the first thing that I'm actually looking at is I have this keyboard cover. I wonder if I take it off, you can see which ones I use the most. Interesting. Keyboard shortcuts. Let's try it without this thing. Turn form such. Worse, 82 words per minute. Okay. It feels better though, so I'm just gonna go with that. It feels better. Let's go to keybr.com and see what that's all about. Oh. Okay. It's hard to go fast because I don't know these words. It's mildly boring and relaxing because I feel like I'm working on something, but it's a little abstract. Okay, I'm going to try to look at each word, maybe allow myself to pause a bit and then go at it. I wanted to do something, I wanted to get work done, but I just can't sit down and be creative right now. If you're a musician living through 2020, you could probably relate. That being said, I have nothing to complain about. I just need to get over feeling paralyzed. So this is great. I like it. I'm trying my best not to look at the keyboard, which is hard. I think there's just a comfort that comes from glancing at the keyboard, but I'm not really even looking at my fingers. So I do that at the piano as well. I'm gonna try what he said, make noise. It's oddly satisfying. You don't really want to do this at the piano unless you're playing something that really calls for this type of articulation. I wonder if I lift my wrist. Actually, no, wrist down. That didn't go far. We're about halfway through, 35 minutes. Let's go back to that site. Maybe I'm being ridiculous to see if anything changed after half an hour. Might as well. 89 words per minute. Okay. What if I just brute force this and kept doing rounds of this? The first thing I'm going to actually change is I feel like I'm slouching, and I wouldn't do that at the piano. Or I slouch at the piano, but I try not to. Okay. Oh, the posture thing really helps, I think. Also, it just kind of turns my brain on slightly more. $108. That was a jump. Maybe just luck. 97% accuracy though. So interesting. My accuracy is getting worse, but here we are. My heart is racing. I'm nervous or something. I'm gonna try to find a different site. Key Hero. I think I've heard about this. I need to employ the option delete thing that I was so excited about, but I'm not sure what finger to use. Okay, let's simulate where I would need option delete. Hello, I'm looking forward. See, I have to curl my finger, my hand like this. Looking forward. I mean, that works. That's pretty reliable. Or looking forward. If I slide everything this way, oh, my hand shakes when I do that. That's weird. Okay, so if I just slide this way with my fourth finger, that seems like a pretty natural thing. Typing. Yeah. Versus typing. I mean, they're both... No. Oh, see, the thumb wants to go on the command key. So maybe the fourth finger is better. Okay, let's go back to the typing test. Let's try to type a regular email. Let's get some work done. And maybe that could be a more natural place to work on option delete. I just use delete. Let's just have it. I cannot seem to get used to using option delete. I mean, I'm not surprised because I've been typing on the keyboard for many years. Okay, how much time do we have now? 14 minutes, okay. I noticed that I keep tensing this way, and every time I just remind myself to relax, it's instantaneous. I can relax and give myself a little more space. Okay, I do realize that I'm pushing quite hard inconsistently on the keys, and so I get kind of stuck sometimes. Similar to the piano, I think if you're trying to move to the next key, you kind of use each key as a departure point, so you're not wasting energy into a certain key, if that makes sense. I find that it helps to register a word before I start typing, as abstract as it is, and kind of map out which fingers I'll use. Just a quick snapshot. I have 10 minutes left. "111 words per minute. 114 words per minute. I was really trying to get faster at each word, but then pause. Let's try again. "116. Wow. Why am I getting so intense about this? Okay, again. Maybe I should just leave it at this because I might get a lower score. "120. 120. Okay, now I really don't want to do another one because okay, I'll just do one more. I think I'm gonna do a lower score. But that's the way these things work. "113. See, now I really have to do another one. My posture is off. Okay. Okay, 107. Oh no. One more? Okay, I have 1 minute left. Last one. "116 words per minute. Okay, all right. That's better than the last one. Okay, timer's up, and that was an hour. Maybe I've improved in my approach to this. I don't think my fingers actually got faster in an hour. I mean, an hour is not that long, but this was interesting. I hope you found it fun, and I hope this can be a trigger for you all to work on this yourself, because I really think that, I mean, given the amount of time that we all spend on devices these days, improving typing can be a lot, really helpful. So I will see you in the next video, I guess. Bye.